In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start subject Maths class 9, Congruent Triangles, review exercise 10, lecture number 9. Let's see review exercise 10, question number 4, find value of unknown. This is a triangle, and when you will draw a straight line or perpendicular AD, then this large triangle divides into two small congruent triangles. Congruent means same shape and same size. So these are two congruent triangles. First triangle is ABD, second is ADC. Now its corresponding sides are equal. Now angle B is 55 degree and angle C equals to 5x plus 5 degree. Now angle B equals to angle C. Corresponding angles are congruent triangle. Now put the value of angle B and put the value of angle C. Now after simplification you have to get x equals to 10 degree. Now you have to find the value of m are sides. Now BD equals to DC. BD equals to DC, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Now put the value of BD and DC. Now after simplification you have to get the value of m equals to 3. Now let's see question number 5 of review exercise. Triangle PQR congruent to triangle ABC. Find unknowns. These are two congruent triangles. Now first of all let's see QP. QP equals to AB. QP is base and here base is AB. Both are equals, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Now x equals to 3 cm. This is 3 and this is x. Now next is BC. This is BC. BC equals to QR. This is the perpendicular which makes the angle of 90 degree. Put the value of this. So Z equals to 4 cm. Now hypotenuse AC and here hypotenuse is PR. So PR equals to AC. Corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Its region. So put the value of AC y minus 1. Put the value of PR 5 cm. After simplification you have to get the value of y. Now these are some important definitions or concepts. So it will be on page number 192 when you will talk about angle side angle. So it's mean here you will discuss two angles and one side. Angle side angle. So angle side angle. Now angle B congruent to angle E, angle C congruent to angle F, and side BC congruent to EF. So this is the angle side angle. Now when you will use here 3S, it means side side side. Okay. Now you have to make two congruent triangles or two same triangles. Now AB equals to DE, BC equals to EF, and AC equals to DF. Now this is the side side side. Now when you will talk about hypotenuse and sides, H dot S, when you will talk about hypotenuse, then it means it will be right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle one angle must be 90 degree. Now this is the hypotenuse and side. Now BC equals to EF, angle B equals to angle E. Now AC hypotenuse equals to DF hypotenuse. Now you have to learn these definitions. These definitions are important. Now let's see the MCQs. Array has two endpoints. No, false. Array has one endpoint. In a triangle there can be only one right angle. True. 3 points are said to be collinear if they lie on same line. True. Two parallel lines intersect at a point. False. Because parallel lines cannot be intersect. Now two lines can intersect only at one point. True. Our triangles of congruent sides has non-congruent angles. False. अगर ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रेंट है तो फिर उसकी साइड्स, उसके एंगल और साइड्स दोनों जो है वो कॉन्ग्रेंट होंगे, नॉन कॉन्ग्रेंट नहीं होंगे. सो लास्ट स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. This is a parallelogram. Now AD equals to BC because opposite sides are congruent. AB equals to DC. Now opposite angles are congruent. Angle D equals to angle B, angle C equals to angle A. Now the diagonals bisect each other at point O. Now that is the review exercise 11. Now question number 3, find unknowns. You know that this is a parallelogram. Just one angle is given 75 degree. You have to find n. N, its opposite angle is 75, so n must be equals to 75 because opposite angles are congruent. Now you have to find the m degree angle. Its neighbor angle is 75 degree. You can take this neighbor angle, you can take this neighbor angle. It's your own choice. When you will take neighbor angle, m degree plus 75 degree equals to 180 degree. Its reason is supplementary or adjacent angles. Adjacent means neighbor angle. Now, after simplification, you have to get the value of m equals to 105 degree. So you have to find m. Now, m, its opposite angle is x. So m equals to 105 degree. So must be x equals to 105 degree. Now, all of angle you have to find, just left is y. So y, its neighbor angle is x, so you can use here adjacent or supplementary or neighbor angle property. Now x degree plus y degree equals to 180 degree. Reason is this. Now after simplification you have to get y equals to 75 degree. Next, question number 4. Find the values of unknowns x and m. Now angle A equals to angle C. Its reason is opposite angles are congruent. So you have to put the value of angle A and angle C. After simplification you have to get x equals to 5 degree. Now you have to find the value of angle D, means to say m. M is situated on D. Yeah, m is located on D. So you can use the property of adjacent angle. Angle D plus angle A equals to 180 degree. After putting the value you have to get m equals to 23 degree. Now question number 5. Parallelogram is used here. So now here you have to discuss sides. LP equals to MN. So you can write the values. Opposite sides are congruent. Now LM equals to PN. You have to get two equations by using these properties. Now you have to solve these two equations by equating the coefficient. Now its coefficient, the coefficient of m is 4 and here the coefficient of m is 8. So you have to make 4 8. So multiply by 2. Equation 1 multiply by 2, you have to get new equation 8m plus 2n equals to 20, and this equation is known as 3. Now you have to add equation number, no, you have to subtract because signs are same. The coefficient of m having the same sign, when the sign will be same then you have to subtract. Subtracting equation 2 and 3. Now after subtracting you have to get n equals to 2. Now you have to find the value of m, so put n equals to 2 and you have to get the value of in equation number 1 or equation number 2. In both equations you have to get the same answer. Now put n equals to 2 in equation number 1, so you have to get m equals to 2. This is the answer. Now question number 6. Sum of opposite angles of parallelogram is 110 degree. Find remaining angles. आप ये ऊपर वाली डायग्राम ही आपने यूज़ करनी है, ये क्वेश्चन में मेंशन है, ठीक है. अब its angle L equals to 55 and N equals to 55. So take the sum, take the neighbor angle. Angle P plus angle L equals to 180 degree. So you have to find angle P equals to 125 degree. This is 125, so M must be 125 because opposite angles are congruent. So I hope you have to understand this both review exercise 11 and 10. Allah Hafiz.